Hello everyone, how are you doing? Look, I lost my hair again. But this time I am dedicating my bald head entirely to myself, but with a wonderful purpose. My life policy is if I get engaged in something, I would like to dedicate myself or I would like to surrender myself 100% undoubtedly to it. I started my career as an Ayurveda therapist before transitioning completely to a full time yoga teacher a long time ago. And even though I have been in this wellness world for so many years, I have always been intrigued by some of these ancient Ayurvedic techniques said to offer incredible benefits to our body and mind. And I have always wanted to experience them myself to truly understand their powers. You may know that currently I am going through a Ayurveda rejuvenation routine, and which I have been focusing on a lot recently. And guess what? My doctor has included some of these unique treatments in my program, which I am so much excited about. One treatment in particular caught my attention, which is called Shirovasti, a process where the medicated oil is placed on our head and held there for a little while for a deep rejuvenation and healing benefits on our nervous system. But to make sure that the process is done properly and correctly, and to maximize the therapy's benefits, it is actually recommended to shave your head. But if I do not want to take the hair off, Ayurveda is a flexible system. It always go around and find solutions for the people to enjoy better health. So there is another process which is called the Shirodhara, but Shirovasti is most effective. So I went for the Shirovasti where the oil is held there. But I will try the other one as well just to have a first-hand experience on myself. Now, I just finished the 7-day course of Shiravasti, holding the oil on my head. I already started to experience its benefits. Most importantly, I can experience, I can feel the effects when I meditate. How quiet and calm my mind is, how deeper I can meditate for a longer time. So, in another video, I will share all my experiences, everything that I have learned from this process, and all the effects it has on my body and my mind. And also, you will have some like behind the scene on this process. Also, I will explain the benefits and my experience on the alternative therapy. Shirodhara is the process of pouring the oil on the head. It's like a massage on the brain. It's incredible. It's incredible. The way it is done and what you experience during these processes. So be tuned. There are some other therapies also I have tried. I would like to share with you, and everything that I learn, I always like to share. And if anyone would like to try and get into this rejuvenation process, it's very important after like 35, 40 years old. You take this rejuvenation process every now and then to making sure that there is no toxins accumulated in the body for a long time. So stay tuned. I will come back with another beautiful video and sharing my experiences and knowledge that I gain through everything what I am doing in my life. Okay, take care. Big love and a big hug from my heart, from India to yours. Take care.